Why do clinical trials have data monitoring committees? Imagine you're part of a clinical trial testing a new treatment for colon cancer. You want to be sure you're safe and that the study is trustworthy. That's where data monitoring committees, or DMCs, come in. They are independent groups of experts who review the trial data as it progresses. Their job is to keep participants safe by checking for any serious side effects or unexpected risks. They also look at how well the treatment is working. If the data shows the treatment is very effective or if it's causing harm, the DMC can recommend stopping the trial early. This way, no one is exposed to unnecessary risks and patients get the best care possible. In trials for serious conditions like colon or colorectal cancer, treatments can sometimes have significant side effects. The DMC's role is especially important here. They review data on adverse events, which are unwanted effects, and decide if these are acceptable or if the trial needs to be paused or stopped. They also evaluate interim results, which are early findings before the trial ends. If the data shows the treatment is clearly helping patients, or if it's not working at all, the DMC can advise on the next steps. This helps ensure that the trial remains ethical and that participants are not exposed to ineffective or harmful treatments longer than necessary. Another key reason for having a DMC is to maintain the integrity of the study. They are independent, meaning they do not have a stake in the trial's outcome. This independence prevents bias and helps produce reliable results. They also ensure the trial follows strict ethical standards by balancing potential benefits against risks for participants. While they review the data and make recommendations, they do not have the authority to stop the trial on their own. That decision is made by regulatory agencies based on the DMC's advice. Most large, long-term clinical trials for new medical therapies, including those for colon cancer, requiring DMCs. These committees help protect patients and ensure the evidence gathered is trustworthy. Their work supports safe, ethical, and scientifically valid research. In the end, data monitoring committees are essential for making sure that new treatments are tested responsibly, with patient safety always at the forefront. If you are considering participating in a clinical trial, remember that these committees work behind the scenes to keep your safety and the quality of the research a top priority. Always talk to your healthcare provider for personalized advice about treatment options and clinical trial participation.